Boom! Right here, guys, these are the SHOKZ OpenComm. These are bone conduction stereo headset with a boom arm. You can make phone calls. It's Bluetooth, so you can connect to your phone or connect to your laptop and do Zoom calls, Skype calls, whatever you want. Boom! 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 Yeah! Boom! There we go, there we go. The OpenComm, boom! Boom! There we go, guys, the OpenComm wireless bone conduction headset. Boom! Oh, look at that inside. Boom! Look at that nice carrying case. Zoop! Open up, SHOKZ. Oh, bone conduction headset right here. This is stereo, so you got left and right. Sweet, lightweight, super flexible band right here. Now this is right here. You got the boom arm. Let me see. So you put the boom arm down, and what this is a noise cancellation microphone. Yeah, microphone, so you can make phone calls really well. So you can really pick up the audio right here. Oh man, these things fit really well. Oh, I got the buttons right here. I can reach it, and this thing fits the back of my head. Solid. See right here? Yeah, big head, no problem. Small head, yeah, extra slack. This thing just sits down right there, and you're good to go. So it's pretty much one size fit all. You have the boom arm right here for your microphone. This is good. This is sweet. You have the charging port right here, right? You got the charging port, but over here you got the buttons like plus and minus. It also answers calls, skip track, change volume. Sweet. These are the audio transducers right here. You have another button on this side right here. There's a button right there, and then on this side you have the another transducer, and then you got the boom arm. So again, when I wear this thing, it's so easy and lightweight to put on right here. Just like that, right? And the cool thing is, you see right here, my ear is open to the atmosphere. There's nothing inside my ear. That way, it's very safe because you can hear your surrounding, you can walk around, you can have conversation with other people, but you can still listen to your music or on a phone call. It's crazy, right? Again, the ear is open to the atmosphere. And notice, there's nothing in your ear either. So that's also very hygienic. You don't have something sticking in your ear. So let's go ahead and connect it to my phone. So right here, you're just gonna push and hold the power button like that. 1, 2, and 3. See the light right here? You see SHOKZ. It's lighting up. It's changing between blue and red. That means it's in pairing mode. And the SHOKZ OpenComm is down below, ready to connect. Let's connect the OpenComm right there. It's connecting to the OpenComm by SHOKZ. And boom, that's like that. It's connected. Ready to rock and roll. Let's go ahead and listen to some music first, guys. Let's listen to some music. Oh yeah, we have some music playing right now. It sounds good. Actually, this is very comfortable for me to even work out. It sticks onto my ear. It's lightweight. I'm listening to music. I'm grooving right now, but can you hear the music? Watch, 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 watch. You have my microphone right here, right? You can hear me talk. Hello, hello, hello. Watch, watch, listen, listen. You hear the music right now? You hear the music right now? Can you hear the music? Can you hear the music? It's crazy, right? I hear the music. It's crystal clear. The bass is good. But can you hear the music? People outside, people around me can't hear the music. Look at that. Look at that. Ah, it's so good. Yeah. Dude, the music sounds so good, so clear, right? This thing's crazy. Say you're down, you're cruising down Wall Street, you got your sunglasses on. Hey, let's make that bet. Let's go, let's go. We're gonna go all in, all in. Let's do it right now. So there we go. The ears open to atmosphere, yet you can hear the other person talk, and they can hear you very clearly because you have the boom arm right here. This is the SHOKZ OpenComm. These things are crazy. These things are awesome. Bone conduction headset right here. The ears open to the atmosphere. It sounds good. It sounds amazing. People around you cannot hear what you're listening to. You got 16-hour playtime if you listen to music. Bluetooth 5.1. Got noise cancellation microphone right here. If you're running out of battery, just 5 minutes on a quick charge gives you 2 hours of talk time. But more can you want? Right here. These are the SHOKZ OpenComms right here. Oh yeah.